Okay, it's already 6. Welcome to the class. Let's start with warm up. Keep little distance between two legs. Hands at the waistline. Exhaling. Head down. Chin at the throat cavity. Inhaling, slowly take it back. Hair touching the backbone. Lift chin a little more up. Exhaling down. Inhaling, take it back. Exhaling, come to center. We'll rotate the head right and left. Inhaling, take it to right. Chin and the right shoulder in the same line. From there, try to stretch back. Exhaling, come to center. Inhaling, turn towards left. Chin and the shoulder should be in the same line. From there, try to stretch back. Exhaling, come to center. Inhaling, turn towards right. Exhaling, center. Inhaling, left. Exhaling, come to center. Now we will rotate head clockwise. Exhaling down. Chin at the throat cavity. Inhaling, turn towards right. Right ear on the right shoulder without lifting the shoulder. Slowly take it back. Hair touching the backbone. Exhaling left. Left ear on the left shoulder. Slowly come forward. Chin at the throat cavity. Inhaling right. Slowly take it back. Exhaling left. Slowly come forward. We will rotate anti-clockwise. Inhaling left. Left ear on the left shoulder. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right. Slowly come forward. Inhaling left. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right. Slowly come forward. Come to center. Relax the head. Now we will rotate both the hands. Forward movement. Elbow straight. Rotate both the hands together forward. Shoulders very close to the ears when they go up. Throughout the rotation, make sure elbows are straight. Now reverse. Now alternatively from front, lift the hands up and down. Both the ends stretch more, elbow straight. Relax. Keep both the hands forward. Palm looking down. Exhaling, bring the elbows back and lock it. Similarly, up and down. Lock the elbows front. Now keep palms on the shoulder. Join the elbows at the front. Exhaling, stretch them at the shoulder level. Now join the elbows at the top in front of the forehead. Slowly bring them down and leave it. Again join them at the top. Bring them down, leave it. Do it one more time. Join them at the top. Bring them down, leave it. Now join them at the bottom. Bring them up, leave it. Do it 3 times. Bring them up, leave it. Join them at the bottom. Bring them up and leave it. Now from sides, shoulders up and down. From shoulder to elbow should be straight. Attached to the ears when they go up. Relax. Keep little distance between 2 legs. Hands at the waistline. Now rotate abdomen clockwise. Only abdomen should get rotated. Anti-clockwise 3-4 times. Relax. Legs together, hands along with the body. First inhale. Exhaling, bend towards your left. Only towards left. Lift chin little more up. Close your eyes. Exhaling, slowly come back. Again inhale. While exhaling, bend towards your right. Lift chin little more up. Exhaling, come back. Now keep both the hands forward, legs together, palms looking down. Without opening the knees, try to sit down completely. And stay there for some time. If you can sit completely or wherever the maximum bend. Inhaling, slowly lift yourself up, come back. Do it one more time. Exhaling, go down. Inhaling, come back. Relax. Now keep both the hands on the knees. Bend the knees forward. Bend as much as possible without lifting the heels. Take them back, straighten the knees. Do it 3-4 times. Bend them forward, straighten them. Again, bend them forward, straighten them. One more time, bend them forward, straighten them. Now rotate the knees clockwise. Make a bigger circle. When they come forward, bend more. When they go back, straighten them. Make a bigger circle. Anti-clockwise 3-4 times. The knee joint will get overhauling. Relax. Now we will rotate ankles. Keep hands at the waistline. Lift the right leg. Rotate ankle clockwise 3-4 times. Anti-clockwise 3-4 times. Make a bigger circle. Similarly, left leg clockwise 3-4 times. Anti-clockwise 3-4 times. Now sit on the asana. We will do preparation for Padmasana. Hands on the knees. Legs together, toes stretching forward. Exhaling, bend forward and see hands are surpassing the toes, forehead towards the knees. Do it 3-4 times. Now fold the right leg. Bring the heel very close to the hip joint. Left leg straight. Send it back. Do it 3-4 times. Bring it close, send it back. Don't drag the leg. Gently lift and place it very close to the hip joint. Now fold the right leg. Place the heel on the left knee. Neck and back straight, looking forward. With right hand, try to push right knee towards the floor. Catch hold of the knee with both the hands, claspful hands. Bring the knee very close to the chest. Send it back to the floor. Do it 3-4 times. Now hold the knee with right hand, ankle with left hand. Move it horizontal, the cradle movement, maximum towards right. When it goes completely right, see the knee is down and ankle is lifted up, a little up. Now hold the toe with the left hand, bring the heel very close to you and straighten the leg. Do it 3-4 times. Now holding the toe with the left hand, bring the toe very close to the left ear without bending the head while exhaling. Slowly take it back. Normalize the right leg. Now we will do all this with the left leg. Fold the left leg. Bring the heel very close to the hip joint. Make sure right leg is straight and stretched. Do it 3-4 times. Fold the left leg, bring it close, send it back. Now place the heel on the right knee, back and neck straight. Try to push the knee towards the floor with the left hand. Now hold the knee with both the hands, bring it close to the chest and send it back to the floor. Do it 3-4 times. Now hold the ankle with the right hand, knee with the left hand, move it horizontal, maximum towards left. Right leg should be straight and stretched. Now hold the toe with right hand, bring the heel very close to you and straighten the leg. Do it 3-4 times. Now hold the toe with right hand without bending the head. Bring the toe very close to the right ear while exhaling. Slowly take it back. Normalize the legs. All these will help to sit in Padmasana. Now we will sit in Padmasana. Hold the right leg. Place the heel very close to the left side of the navel. Fold the left leg. Place it on top of the right leg so that both the heels are very close to each other. Both the knees on the floor. Neck and back straight. Hands in Jnana Mudra. Thumb and index finger gently touching each other. Remaining 3 fingers looking down. Wrist on the knees. Elbows close to the body. Eyes gently closed. We will normalize the breathing pattern. First exhale. Completely exhale. In the final stage, pull the navel deep inside and see the root of the navel touches the spine. Apply Mulban. Pulling up of the perineal muscles is Mulban. Relax the abdomen. Start inhaling slowly, gently, up to the throat. Again apply Mulban. Hold for some time. Relax the Mulban. Normalize the breath. This is one round. Repeat at least 2 more times. First exhale. Completely exhale. Place the root of the navel on the spine and then apply Mulban. Relax the abdomen. Start inhaling slowly, gently up to the throat. Again apply Mulban. Relax the Mulban. Repeat one more time. Relax. Once you are completed, we will chant Om 3 times and then Gayatri Mantra. Mouth into circular shape. Inhale. Mahamantra Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurbhuvaswaha Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayat. Gently open your eyes. Open Padmasana. Without taking support, try to get up. We will do Vrukshasana. Legs together, hands along with the body. Fold the right leg. Place the heel very close to the hip joint. Toes looking down. Knee looking towards right. Entire balance on the left leg. Once you get the balance, inhaling, slowly take both the hands up. Join the palms at the top. And then start focusing on any one point. You will get balance in the body and the decision. Exhaling, slowly bring the hands from the sideways, normalize the leg. We will do it with left leg. Hold the left leg, place the heel very close to the hip joint, toes looking down, knee towards left. Now inhaling, take both the hands up, join the palms at the top. Now start focusing on any one point. With regular practice, you should be able to close your eyes. Exhaling, slowly bring the hands from the sideways, normalize the leg. We will do Surya Namaskar. Come to the front part of the asana, leaving 2/3 behind. Heels together, toes apart in V shape. Hands along with the body. Eyes gently closed. Come to Namaskar Mudra. Join both the palms. Root of the thumb at the chest cavity. Elbows parallel to the floor. Wrist to elbow straight. concentration at Agya Chakra between two eyebrows. We will invoke the sun god. Om Mitraya Namaha. Inhaling, take both the hands up at the shoulder level. Shoulders very close to the ears. Now inhaling, bend from cervical, neck and head goes back a little. Shoulders goes to the extent, ears go. Concentration at Vishuddhi Chakra behind the throat, on the backbone. Exhaling, slowly bend forward. Shoulders should come along with the ears. Completely bend forward. Try to touch the fingers on the floor. If you are comfortable, try to place entire palm on the floor. Forehead towards the knees. Concentration at Manipur Chakra behind the navel on the backbone. Knees straight. Inhaling, take the right leg back maximum. Right toe in standing position. Lower back down. Right knee very close to the floor but not touching the floor. Left leg 90 degrees in between two hands. Chest forward, head back, look up. Concentration at Swadhisthana Chakra behind the navel, behind the reproductive organs on the spine. Liver and pancreas will get torn up. Exhaling, take the left leg back, join both the legs. Head inside, chin at the throat cavity. Try to place the heels on the floor. Go back and try to place the heels on the floor. Concentration at Sahasrara Chakra, crown of the head. Sciatica problem will go away. The bad blood will gush towards the heart for purification. The blockages will get reduced. Try to push yourself back and place both the heels on the floor. Inhaling, bring the body parallel to the floor. Elbow straight, knees straight, entire weight on the palms. First place knees on the floor, chest between two hands on the floor, forehead on the floor. Palms very close to the chest, elbows looking up. Lower abdomen should not touch the floor. Lift the lower abdomen little. Concentration at Anahata Chakra behind the heart on the spine. Due to magnetic effect of the earth, the heart function will improve. Purified blood will flow towards the brain. The brain function will improve. Inhaling, lift yourself up from the front. Straighten the elbows. Lower back down. Bend back from the navel. Concentration at Mooladhara Chakra, tip of the backbone. Only once in Surya Namaskar we will be in this position. Try to bend back and stay there. Exhaling, lift yourself up and go back and try to place the heels on the floor. Head inside, chin at the throat cavity. Concentration at Sahasrara Chakra, crown of the head. The thyroid and parathyroid glands will get activated. Thyroid problem will go away. Calf muscles ache a little, experience it. Try to place the heels on the floor, both the heels together. Inhaling, bring the right leg forward between two hands in 90 degrees. Left knee very close to the floor, but not touching the floor. Lower back down, chest forward, head back, look up. Concentration at Swadhisthana Chakra, behind the reproductive organs on the spine. Pancreas will get pushed back. Liver is stretched. The diabetic problem will go away. insulin production will be normal. Exhaling, bring the left leg forward, join both the legs, straighten the knees, try to place the entire palm on the floor, forehead towards the knees. Concentration at Manipur chakra behind the navel, on the spine. Shoulders along with the ears. Inhaling, slowly lift yourself up. Bend back from the cervical. Concentration at Visuddhi chakra. Exhaling, come to Namaskar Mudra. Hands down. Lie down on the back, relax. Keep little distance between two legs. Hands along with the body. Relax the entire body and recollect all chakras which got activated during the Surya Namaskar. We will do Tadasana. Join both the legs. Hands towards the head on the floor. Inhaling, stretch yourself in opposite direction from the navel, as if two people pulling you in opposite. Stretch maximum. In the final stage, normal breathing, but don't reduce the stretch. Try to increase the stretch. All 206 bones will get stretched. 72,000 nerves will get torn up. Entire day you will be active and alert. You will not get shivering problem in the old age. Kids will grow taller. Relax. Keep hands over there. Just relax the elbows. Relax the toes. Normalize the breath. We will do Navasana. Once you normalize the breath, join both the legs. Keep elbows straight, toes in stretching position. Now inhaling, lift the legs, bring it towards the head on the floor. Exhaling, bend forward and see hands are surpassing the toes, forehead towards the knees. Roll on your back. Make sure your elbows are straight, knees are straight throughout the rotation. Gently roll on your backbone. Every time, try to see if you can touch the fingers on the floor and hands surpassing the toes. Slowly come back. Sit in relaxed position. Keep little distance between two legs. Hands behind the back. Look up. Close your eyes. Recollect the asanas which you have done. Normalize your breathing. Slowly come back to Vajrasana by placing both the hands towards right. Fold both the legs from left in one go. Toes together. heels apart, sit in between. Just relax in Vajrasana. We will do Ustrasana. Stand up on the knees. Keep little distance between two knees and also the heels at the shoulder level. Take both the hands, join the thumbs at the spine. Remaining four fingers towards looking forward. Gently press with the thumbs. Throughout this asana, make sure you close your eyes. Now inhaling, slowly bend back. From this navel portion, bend back. If you are comfortable in bending position, take out the hands, place it on the foot, not on the heels. Place on the sole, not on the heels. Once you place the hands on the sole, again straighten the body from knees to thighs. It should be straight and bend back. Those who cannot place the hands on the sole, stay back in the previous position. Exhaling, slowly come back to the previous position. Don't open your eyes. Slowly come back to Vajrasana and relax. Normalize your breath. We will do counter asana, Shashakasana. Inhaling, take both the hands up from the front at the shoulder level. Exhaling, slowly bend forward, but make sure hips are completely on the heels. Don't lift the hips. Completely exhale, bend forward, place the palms on the floor, but make sure hips are continuously touching the heels. Bend little more, place the elbows on the floor. If you are comfortable, bend a little more, place the forehead on the floor, but make sure hips are touching the heels. Relax. Normalize your breath. All benefits of Shavasana you will get in Shashakasana. Inhaling, straighten the elbows first. Slowly lift yourself up. Shoulders should come along with the ears. Stretch hands little up. While exhaling, bring the hands from the sideways. And relax in Sithilasana, right side. Lie down on the abdomen. Right hand, right leg straight. Left hand, left leg folded. Left heel gently touching the right knee. Left hand in front of the eyes in the form of uppercase of L. Sithilasana, right side will normalize high blood pressure. Also the insomnia. We will do Naukasana. Come on to the abdomen. Hands towards the head on the floor. Forehead on the floor initially. Legs together. Toes in stretching position. Elbows straight. Inhaling. Lift legs and hands along with the head. Lift maximum, only navel portion on the floor. Now we will be rolling on the abdomen. While hands goes up, legs come down. When hands come down, legs goes up. Roll on your abdomen. Slowly come back. Relax in Sithilasana left side. Left hand, left leg straight. Right hand, right leg folded. Right heel gently touching the left knee. Right hand in front of the eyes. Both the lung lows on the floor. Shoulders in normal position. Sithilasana left side will normalize low blood pressure. Bring the right hand under the head, come on to the backbone. Hands along with the body, legs together. We will do Setu Bandhasan. Bring both the legs close to the hips. Heels should touch the hips. You can take help from the hands. Now, hold the ankles with respective hands. Inhaling, lift the central part of the body up. Neck and head should be on the floor. Remaining body should be lifted up. In the final position, normal breathing. Exhaling, slowly come back, take longer time to come back. Straighten the legs. Normalize the breath. Once you normalize the breathing, we will do Hasta Padottanasana. Hands along with the body, toes in stretching position. Inhaling, lift both the hands and the legs, also the head. Make sure your shoulder is at the ankle's height. Lift yourself in V shape. Only hips should be on the floor. Stay there. Normal breathing. The lower abdomen will get torn up. Excess fat at the lower abdomen will go away if you practice daily. Exhaling, slowly come back. Relax in Savasana. Keep little distance between two legs. Little toe towards the floor. Hands along with the body. Palm looking up. Fingers loose but straight. Relax the entire body. Now with mental eye, start scanning the relaxed body from right leg toe to head, head to left leg toe. Start with toes, ankle, calf muscles, knees, knee to thigh joint, right side of the abdomen, abdomen to shoulder, right side of the head, crown of the head. While exhaling, start scanning from head to left leg toes. Left leg shoulder, shoulder to hip joint to knees, calf muscles, ankle, left toes. Similarly, scan from left leg to head, head to right leg toes. Introspect with your mental eye each and every part of the body. Turning from right, come on to sitting position. Unmute yourself. We will go for Hasi. Now with wholeheartedly, let's show your happiness to others for a minute. Inhale. We will go for clapping. We will go for clapping. All together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now from sideways, the other side. With right hand, tap on the rear side of the palm. Similarly on the right hand with the left palm. Now each and every finger at the root, gently massage. All 10 fingers, try to massage at the root. We will go for pranayama. Sit in Padmasana or whichever asana you are comfortable with. Hands in Jnana Mudra. Eyes gently closed. We will do Nadi Sodhan Pranayam. Right hand in Pranayam Mudra. Fold first two fingers, place it at the root of the thumb, remaining two fingers straight. Left hand in Jnana Mudra. Thumb on the right nostril, ring finger on the left nostril, elbow close to the body. First listen to me the first round and then you can join. Close the right nostril with thumb. And the precaution for this pranayama, those who has asthma, high blood pressure should not apply tribal, should not hold the breath. The remaining rest of them can do tribal and then hold the breath. So close the right nostril. While counting 4, inhale from the left nostril. Hold the breath inside. Apply Triban while counting 8. Release bandhas while counting 8. Exhale from right nostril. Hold the breath outside. Apply Triban while counting 4. This is half round. 4:8:8:4. So 1:2:2:2:1. So once from the right nostril, relax the bandhas. Start inhaling while counting 4. Hold the breath inside. Apply Triban while counting 8. Relax the bandhas. Exhale from left nostril while counting 8. Hold the breath outside. Apply Triban while counting 4. This is one round. We will do at least 3 rounds. I will repeat one more round. While counting 4, inhale from the left nostril. Hold the breath inside. Apply Triban while counting 8. Molbar. Pulling up the perineal muscles is Molbar. Pull the navel deep inside is Udiyan bar. Lock the throat with chin is Jalandhar bar. While counting 8, be in Triban. Release bandhas. Exhale from right nostril while counting 8. Hold the breath outside while counting 4. Apply Triban. Release bandhas. Inhale from right nostril while counting 4. Hold the breath inside. Apply Triban while counting 8. Release bandhas. Exhale from left nostril while counting 8. Hold the breath outside while counting 4. Apply Triban. Relax and repeat one more time. Once you complete the round, relax. Don't stop in between. Entire body will come to the in control of your mind. We will do Kapalbhati. Both the hands in Chin Mudra on the knees. First exhale. Start inhaling gently up to the throat. Apply Mulband. Holding the breath and sitting on Mulband. Now start expiring the air in installments. Make sure every time you exhale, navel goes deep inside, but don't breathe in or breathe out. Relax and then repeat. Every time when you pull navel deep inside and relax, without you notice, some air will come in, that is enough to expel again. Once you completely exhale, apply Tribandh, hold for some time, relax bandhas, and then inhale gently up to the throat, again apply Tribandh, and then relax. So that is one round. I will repeat one more round. First exhale, start inhaling, hold the breath inside, apply Mulband. Now go on expelling the air. In the final stage, exhale completely, pull the navel deep inside, apply Tribandh. Relax the bandhas, inhale gently up to the throat, again apply Tribandh. Relax. So this is one round. Repeat 2 more rounds. Once you completed, relax. Don't stop in between. We will go for meditation. Hands in Jnana Mudra. eyes gently closed, happy dispersion of the mind on the face. We will chant Om 1:1 ratio for 20 times. In medium face. Om, 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 Om. Now we will chant internally 20 times. Slowly start focusing on the tip of the nose. Just observe the breathing, inhalation and exhalation. Slowly start focusing on the thoughts. Let the thoughts come and go. Don't stop them. Don't involve in them. Just observe as a spectator. We will chant Om once and then Mrityunjay mantra. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Mrityo Mrukshiyamamrutat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Be there in this blissful atmosphere for some time. Gently open your eyes. Open Padmasana. Straighten the legs. Stretch the toes forward and back 2-3 times. Let's normalize the blood circulation. Right and left. Rotate the toes clockwise 3-4 times. Anti-clockwise 3-4 times. And then butterfly. Bring the heels very close to the hips. Hold the toes. Neck and back straight. Try to flap the knees towards the floor. Holding the toes, exhaling, bend forward and see the forehead is touching the toes. Inhaling, slowly come back and flap the knees one more time. Relax.